Let's solve a set theory problem involving factors and multiples. We need to find all numbers that are both factors of 36 and multiples of 6. Let's start by finding all the factors of 36. We can do this systematically by finding pairs of numbers that multiply to give 36. From these pairs, we can list out all the factors of 36. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Next, let's find the multiples of 6. We can list them out. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. Let's visualize this using a Venn diagram to find the numbers that are both factors of 36 and multiples of 6. In the left circle, we'll put all factors of 36, and in the right circle, we'll put all multiples of 6 up to 36. The numbers that appear in both circles are our answer. Looking at our Venn diagram, we can see that 6, 12, 18, and 36 appear in both circles. These are the numbers that satisfy both conditions. Therefore, we can write our answer in roster form as the set containing 6, 12, 18, and 36. To verify our answer, let's check that each number in our set satisfies both conditions. First, each number is a factor of 36, as we can see from our factors list. Second, each number is a multiple of 6, as we can verify. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times 6 is 36.